Here at VectorVest, we've dedicated ourselves to helping you travel down the road to become a successful investor. Today, I'm going to show you the 5 steps we teach our clients to become successful investors. These are the 5 steps you should be taking to go from inconsistent or negative returns to where you are consistently outperforming the market. You'll have more time for yourself, you'll get better results, and it'll take a lot less effort. Sound good? All right, well, let's get right to it. Over the years, we've talked to thousands of investors, and you've shared your 3 biggest roadblocks with us. One of the biggest roadblocks is you don't know when to sell a stock. You end up selling winning trades too early, watching profitable trades turn into losers, and holding on to losers until they become really big losers. Second, you trade emotionally. You place trades based on fear, greed, frustration, despair, hope, and even anger. These emotions cloud your judgment, and you don't make the best decisions. Third, you suffer from information overload. You get bombarded by the media from all sides with market information, and it gets difficult to decide what information to pay attention to. With these roadblocks in place, you end up with inconsistent or even negative results. What you need to do is remove these roadblocks. Instead of not knowing when to sell, you need to have a clear idea of when to exit a position. When you do this right, you will maximize your profits and minimize your losses. Instead of being too emotional, you need to have a clear plan so you know what you will do every step of the way. You need to know when you should be buying, what you should be buying, and when you should be selling. When you know these 3 things ahead of time, you will no longer be trading emotionally. And number 3, instead of suffering from information overload, you need the right information. You need to know exactly what information to look at and where to find it. Here are the 5 steps that we teach our clients to take them from being frustrated and inconsistent to being confident and consistently outperforming the market. These are the 5 steps which will remove those roadblocks so you have a clear path to becoming a successful investor. We call it the Successful Investing QuickStart course. In this course, we've laid it out in 5 lessons. In Lesson 1, you'll learn how to analyze any stock in less than 30 seconds. You'll be able to take any stock at any time, and within 30 seconds, you will know everything you need to know about it. This is where you'll begin to get rid of information overload. You'll see exactly what indicators to look at, and you'll get your information quickly. In Lesson 2, you'll learn a technique that we call weeding the garden. You'll learn how to identify stocks that you own right now that need to get sold. You'll also learn how to use stop prices to maximize profits and minimize losses. We'll go through an exercise where you write down how much to invest in each stock and exactly what your maximum loss should be. By doing this, you will have more control over your emotions. In Lesson 3, you'll learn how to know exactly when is the right time to buy and not buy. You'll be given exact signals to use so you know when it's okay to be buying stocks. At the end of this lesson, you will have an easy 5-minute routine you could do each day to make sure you are prepared for the next day. In Lesson 4, you'll learn the type of stocks that you should avoid. You'll then learn 2 great cherry-picking techniques to easily find great stocks to buy. You'll also learn an additional technique to manage your stocks to help maximize your profits. Then, in Lesson 5, we'll put it all together and make sure you are clear on your plan to implement this. In addition to the course, every week we will hold a live Q&A session just for this course. In these webcasts, I'll ask you what your successes have been. I'll then ask you where you need help, and we'll dive right in and I'll answer your specific questions. By learning all of this, at the end of this course, you will have a simple step-by-step system to buy and sell stocks. You'll be able to manage your portfolio in less than 10 minutes per day, and you will have a system to consistently outperform the market. As a VectorVest subscriber, This step-by-step course is available to you right inside the software. Here's some of the feedback that we've received so far. Again, hop into your VectorVest account to get started on your path to becoming a successful investor. I'll see you at the next Q&A session.
Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Now, if you're new to the software or would like refresher information about the software, click on this Getting Started video right here. Thanks to all of your input, here's a YouTube video that we think would be perfect for you. Click right here. If nothing else, folks, just hit the subscribe button right here.